Want to change your TikTok account, country, or region? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can do that. The first thing you want to do is open the TikTok app on your device. Make sure you're using the latest version of the app. Now you want to tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you get here, tap on the three lines at the top right corner. You will find different options here. Select Settings and Privacy. Once you get here, tap on the account option. Now select the option of account information. Here you will find three options: phone number, email, and account region. Go ahead and select the region option. As you can see, your currently selected country is given over here. If you want to change that, simply scroll through and then find your current region. You can also tap on the search bar and then search for that. Then go ahead and select that. Once you select that, your TikTok country or region will be successfully changed, and that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.